Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a Mercedes GLE that we've just upgraded with a fully detachable tow bar plus a dedicated wiring loom. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this customer has travelled over an hour to us today because of another YouTube video. Actually, we've just been chatting with them and they're actually very, very happy with the install, even without even seeing it just yet, but they were waiting in our showroom at the moment, waiting to collect their vehicle. So the install has been carried out in a day. They've spent the day in Cambridge while the vehicle's been in with us. In terms of the solution, it's basically a detachable tow bar. So it's a swan neck style tow bar. It's Westfalia spec on this particular system. It's really easy to use. You literally just pull out the mechanism, twist it, and the neck comes out. The little cover that pops in, and that's really easy to use to bring your car back to a stock look. The other thing that we've done, and the more important thing, is about the dedicated electrics and how we've integrated that into the vehicle. Dedicated electrics versus bypass electrics, what is the difference? Dedicated electrics is what we do. It goes into given points from manufacturer. It's the way it should be done. Bypass electrics shouldn't be done, and also on these new cars, mostly because it doesn't go into the car's brain. So dedicated wiring loom goes into given points from the manufacturer. It then gets recoded to tell and adjust the actual braking system, fuel system, or loads of safety features behind the scenes actually all get adjusted, which makes a world of difference, not only to make your towing life easier, but also to retain safety features to keep you guys safe on the road. So very important, you're having a dedicated wiring loom installed. This is obviously done to the highest possible standards. That's why people travel all over the country to us. This customer's traveled over an hour. Just took a booking earlier for another install. They're over 4.5 hours to us. People literally travel all over the country because of these videos to highlight exactly how the install's done, and they know it's going to be done properly. And we'll be doing a full handover with this customer right after this video to showcase exactly how it all works, showcase exactly how the system detracts from the actual car itself, how you can revert it back to like a stock look. But overall, it's going to be a lovely, lovely system. I'm sure they're going to enjoy towing with the vehicle. It's a brilliant car to tow with as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It showcased a little bit more about how the install was actually done. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.